S Cool on the beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making jollof rice with meat. So I'm just going to season this meat for over an hour before I come back with the cooking. So this is some blended scallions, parsley and garlic. So I'm gonna add that in, just a little bit of it. Then I'm gonna add blended bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. A little bit of that too. Black pepper. Then I'm going to mix everything together. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna let it sit now for about an hour or so. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna cover it like that, put it in the fridge. So I'll be back with the rest of the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, I'm making fried rice today, so don't forget to check my description box for all the ingredients and the measurement. Everything will be listed down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So this is like I showed you guys that I seasoned this like more than an hour. So now like I have hot vegetable oil, so I'm just gonna add the meat in the vegetable oil. So let's do that. So like this, the fact that I added the meat, so I'm just gonna cover that so all the water can dry out, then so we can fry it. Right now there's a little bit of water inside, so let that dry out. I'm just gonna cover it like that, put the lid on, then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, so stay tuned for that. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's check our pot. Can you guys see? Now we only have oil in the pot. The water dries out. I'm just gonna fry the meat here for 15 minutes before I add in the blended tomatoes, onions, etc. So you guys stay with me. Now I'm just mixing it so the bottom part won't burn. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put the lid on. I'll be back after 15 minutes. I'm back. Now I'm just going to add this blended onions, bell peppers, garlic. I'm just gonna leave a little bit for the rice later. That's that. This is it too. I'm gonna leave this for the rice. Let me just mix it. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover this for another what, like 30 minutes or so. So I'm just gonna put the lid back on. Guys, before I cover that, I think I'm gonna add in the tomato paste.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey guys, so after the 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna add in water. Then add in the vegetables. I'm just gonna let it boil for 20 minutes before I come back. Hey guys, now I'm going to check my stew or my sauce. See? Yeah, I think the cassava is done. The cabbage is done too. I'm just gonna give it 10 more minutes. So while that is going along, so I'm gonna put this rice. I washed it, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. Take it out, stir it, then put it back for 7 minutes. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's do that. Okay guys, I got all the veggies out. I'm gonna put this aside. Take some of the sauce out. Like, I love to add sauce on top of my rice. I know some people don't do it, but I do. So I'm just gonna take some out before I add in the water. Guys, I'm gonna add the rest of my blended veggies. Add that in. Add more veggies. Black pepper, scallions, parsley and garlic, add more water. mix it, then put the lid on for 20 minutes, then come back and check it again. So yeah, I know over there I'm frying plantain. I want to eat that chicken later. So. Guys, over here I realized that I had too much rice in the pot. Now I have to add more water for it to cook through. Yeah, so that's what I'm just gonna do. I'll just continue with the cooking. Yeah, don't be like me. I'm gonna put the lid on for another 20 minutes. Be back to check it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is the finished look of my fried rice, Guinean fried rice, rizgras. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and check my description box. All the ingredients and the measurement are listed down below. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
That's cool on the beat.